Hey guys, Tate here, Yacht Boss, representing Knot10 Yacht Sales. Today we're going to take a look underneath this shrink wrap boat. It's a 2023 Yamaha 275 SDX, loaded up jet boat.
One of the great things about a jet boat is the draft. You can basically narrow it down by inches instead of feet. With twin 250 horsepower engines, seats, fabric, all in great shape. The sea decking, floor, awesome. This boat has too many options to list. Upgraded sound system, lighting package, joystick remote. It's like driving a car. Great bow. A little tough to get to things in the wintertime, but all the extra cushions, full cockpit cover, but head is located down here behind the door. It's a very, very nice boat. Wakeboard pole, hard top. Huge speaker system. This is the loaded up version with the moon roofs of this configuration boat. Had the boat listed at over 160,000. It is reduced down to, for a quick sale, to around 114,000